Now I will show you Modbus communication between these two PLC, Delta PLC DVP 14SS2, and this is the setup. Modbus communication Easy PLC with the Easy PLC link. This is the setup. These are the switches, and this is the red wire RS485. This red wire. I am using this red wire RS485. I communicate this PLC with another PLC. See, this is the wire. This is the wire. This I am communicating this PLC with this wire to another PLC here. This is Delta PLC DVP 12SA2, and it is communicating with this PLC with this setup, these switches. This is a Sleo. This PLC, I made this PLC Sleo, and I make this PLC as a master. So now I will press the buttons from the Sleo, and the output of the master will glow. See this, I am pressing this button, and see this light is glowing. See, this on off. Now I will press another. See, two light glowing. Now I will press another. Three light glowing. This. Now I will press another. This light will glow. I am pressing from here. If I press from here, the light glowing is there. Now I will press this light from here, this button from here, and this light will glow. See this. Now I will press this button from here. See this. This light glowing. I will press another button. This light glowing. I will press another button. This light will glow. And I will press another button. This light will glow. See this. I am pressing all button. All light will glow. See, all light glow. I am pressing from master, and this is Sleo PLC. All light glowing. And if I press from Sleo, this button, this all light will glow from here. One by one, I will press. I am pressing this one, and light glow. I press another button, another light glow. So I am controlling this two PLC with Easy PLC link with RS485 and master and Sleo. I make this PLC master, this DVP 14SS2 as a master, and DVP 12SA2 as a Sleo. Now these both PLC are communicating with this line, this wire.